All right, welcome back into the AI Copy Lab. I'm Andy O'Brien. Hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. A common part of speech that sometimes gets overlooked when it comes to writing really good copy is the verb. A lot of people think that adjectives are what drives sales and makes things, really blossom in your copy and make it look really good by using adjectives, things like beautiful and glorious or whatever. But verbs are where it's at. So we're going to talk about verbs. And you know why? Think about it. Verbs are action words. And what we want to have happen with our copy, if it's anything involving direct response, we want people to take action, right? So let's talk about this with ChatGPT. All right, I'm going to launch it. And we are going to talk about verbs. All right. So in this first prompt, I say, give me 50 of the most effective imperative verbs I can use in my copywriting. And, these are fine. These are great, like act and click and discover, start, join, learn, explore. All right. These are good. Nice verbs, right? Get, dive in, boost, register, enroll, check out, build, create. Okay. So there's 50 here, and you can ask for as many as you want. But what I wanted to do after it gave me all these was say, okay, now give me some powerful phrases that contain some of these verbs that I can use to drive sales. All right. So it did the work. It gave me, let's see, 30, I think. Yeah, 30 phrases with the verbs that it already gave me, like subscribe and get insider access to promotions and events, dive into our best-selling range and find your perfect match, try our product risk-free for 30 days, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Nothing too incredible, nothing earth-shattering. All right. Check out our flash sale for unbelievable prices. Okay. So once I realized, okay, it's giving me a bunch of cliches. These are things I see in ads and on sales pages and things all the time. All right. These are nothing great. So let's do this. I did this prompt. How about some more obscure outside the box verbs that would also be effective but less cliche? And ChatGPT came through for me. Absolutely. Exploring less commonly used verbs can give your copy a fresh angle. Here are some less conventional yet potentially impactful verbs to consider. And it gave me some really cool words here: unearth, ignite, propel, embark, forge, navigate, revel, amplify, savor, ascend. Yeah, these are all verbs, folks. Illuminate, galvanize, decipher, manifest, unravel, quench. These are really cool verbs. All right. Beseech. I don't know about that one, but a lot of people will say that you should be, writing your copy at a fifth grade level, but not every target audience will, latch on to that concept. You want to try to be different and stand out with the words you use a lot of times. Radiate, unleash. I love these, right? And then it gave me example phrases using those verbs. So these are really cool. Amplify your style quotient with our latest arrivals. Envision a world of comfort and elegance. Conjure a realm of fantasy with our immersive reads. Unleash your potential with our state-of-the-art tools. So as you can see, just a little follow-up with your prompting can really do some work some magic with the verbs you use. So two things to remember here with verbs. One is that they are the most powerful speech term. All right. Instead of adjectives, still use adjectives, obviously, but verbs have more verbs than anything else. Action-oriented words. And then make sure when you're using ChatGPT to get your verbs, follow up. Ask it to go outside the box. Don't just use cliche verbs. Okay. All right, that's it for AI Copy Lab this time around. Watch some other videos while you're here. It's great to have you. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.